Hey, it's me, Lady V, back with a Panda Stripe Maxi Dress Kiddie Edition sew project. So let's hop right into this. First, we got our pattern. You see this piece? We're not going to cut that out because it's going to be a halter. And then we have our sleeve opening. And we're just going to trace this onto our fabric. I had to add a different pattern to make it long enough. So here are my extra pieces, as in my tie, the binding for my sleeves, the binding for the opening in the back, as you can see, because most maxis need this when we tie it up. And here's a channel where our elastic would go, so it will cinch in the mid-waist. So now let's take it to the machine. Now after doing some hemming, we're going to actually put in that channel. So we have to sew that down, flip it over, and sew the other part onto it. And this is how it'll look once you put your channel in. And now get your safety pin and elastic and feed that through that elastic channel. Alright, back to the sewing machine. More hemming. Now for our final look. This came out great. My daughter's going to be so surprised when she gets home because she's always wanted a maxi dress that was similar to the one that I have. But this one's even better because it has rainbows, pandas, and stripes. Alright, see you in our next sew project. Happy creating! Bye!